or maybe a kiwi. Who's the box from? Do you know who it's from?
It's from...
You gotta look, you gotta read up in... Yeah, but what's up in the top? Who does it say it's
What's
from?
that?
Come on.
Do you know who that is? That's Grandpa and Roro.
Did Roro send you something? Grandpa?
What do you think?
What did they have sent?
Open it.
Open it? They sent open it?
Yeah.
All right. You need a hand?
Let's go.
Whoa. What's in there?
I see some.
Here, pull on it. Why don't you help Mommy? Pull.
You gonna help me?
Here, pull. You gotta pull.
Come on.
Or if you don't pull, then I guess Daddy gets it. Oh, Daddy can get it if whatever the present is.
What do you think it is?
You gotta pull. Oh, goodness.
Yeah.
Big gold in here.
Oops. There we go.
Alright. Let's see.
Okay.
We gotta pull this out. What could it be?
Whoa.
What?
What is that?
The cat.
Is that your cat?
Yeah.
Did Roro send you the cat? What do you say? Do you say thank you, Roro and Grandpa? Okay.